Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer affiliate payouts from PartnerStack to Wise. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer affiliate payouts from PartnerStack to Wise, start by logging into your PartnerStack account. Navigate to the payouts section in your dashboard. Identify the payouts you wish to transfer. Select the specific payout for processing. Next, click on the withdraw option. You will be prompted to choose your preferred payout method. Select bank transfer if applicable. Now, open a new tab and log in to your Wise account. In Wise, find your account details, such as your bank account information. Copy the relevant account details carefully. Return to PartnerStack and paste the bank account information into the required fields. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays. Confirm the payout amount once again. Submit the withdrawal request. After submission, you will receive a notification regarding the status of your withdrawal. Monitor both PartnerStack and Wise for any updates on the transaction. Once processed, check your Wise account to confirm receipt of funds. Remember to account for any potential transfer fees that Wise may apply. By following these steps, you will successfully transfer your affiliate payouts from PartnerStack to Wise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.